How to turn on notification for this post. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on a notification for a post on Facebook. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First, then go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here choose one of those posts. For example, this one. Click on those three points, and you're gonna find turn on notifications for this post and click on it, and this is it. Now you can turn off notification for this post again. It's so easy, just follow those steps again and you're gonna find turn on or turn off. It's so easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. It's so easy, like I said. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.